session, the types of application which we will cover is console application and form-based application using .NET framework. What does console application actually mean? A console application in the context of C# is an application that takes inputs and display output at a command line. Console with access to three basic data streams: standard input, standard output, and standard error. A console application facilitates the reading and writing of character from a console, either individually or as an entire line. It is the simplest form of C# program and is typically invoked from the window command prompt. A console application usually exists in the form of standalone executable file with minimal or no graphical user interface. A console application is primarily designed for the following reasons: to provide a simple user interface for applications requiring little or no user interaction, such as samples for learning C language, features, and command line utility programs. Automated testing, which can reduce automation implementation resources. Console applications developed in C# have one main entry point, static main method of execution, which takes an optional array of parameter as its only argument for command line parameter representation. The .NET framework provides library classes to enable rapid console application development with output display capability in different formats. System.console, a sealed class, is one of the main classes used in the development of console applications. So here we can create a new solution, or we can add multiple solution to the same project. So right now we will focus on create new solution, and we will leave everything as default. So let's discuss our first program, which is very simple, just for your understanding how we can get used to with console applications. So this program will take two input from the user and put accordingly to the variable. So first number will be input in the variable A, and second number will be placed into variable B. So third variable sum will hold the addition of these two variables A and B. On the next line, we are just printing out the result which we are getting from the two numbers. So same with the multiplication, we will place multiplications of these two numbers into the variable mult, and division in the variable div. So let's see how this program shows output to the user actually. So what are namespaces? The namespaces helps to organize a program. A namespace is designed for providing a way to keep a set of classes in one organization. Namespace avoiding a clash of class by declaring same class name declared in another example. So declaring a namespace definition start with the keyword namespace followed by the namespace as like mentioned in the same project. For example, in C# console application program, if we created same class name which is already available in .NET Framework class library, so there is a same class name clash problem occurs. But the namespace helps to avoid this kind of same declaration class name problem.